Welcome to Cooking with Dragons. My name is Rourke, and today we are making a Pizzadilla Supreme. Yes, it's going to be basically a quesadilla that's pizza style. We're going to be using taco sauce, a little bit of Pico De Gallo, some pepperoni, and of course, a little bit of cheese. Going with some hot habanero, going with some hot jalapeno and habanero jack. But yeah, and we're also going with some Pico De Gallo. I know I'm using it a lot, but that's because I just want to use it before it goes bad. That's all. So it's going to be pretty simple. You're just going to take a couple of tortillas. Preferably the same size if you can. Let's take one. Put it aside. Just take it. Add a little bit. Then you just spread that around. Like you would pizza sauce. Next we'll take our cheese. I don't know what's with the glare, but whatever. Okay. Just spread that around there. Next, we're going to take the pico. Nice little spoonful. Spread that around. Now, I know a Supreme has olives and mushrooms, but I don't have that, so So this is just the Supreme without mushrooms and olives. So nothing wrong with that. Ready. And then we'll take some pepperoni. About 7 is good enough. 7 or 6, around that, yeah. We'll have 8 just for good luck. And put a little more cheese on that. And crown it over. That should be good enough. Take a little bit of butter, stick it in the pan, turn on the gas. Spread that around. Alrighty, coming along nicely. About 30 seconds on each side is all you really need. Alrighty, and here we have our Pizzadilla Supreme. Okay. Now you just take a pizza cutter. You just cut that up. Put this down. So here we have, cut into nice fours, our Pizzadilla Supreme. So anyway, try this out. You get that nice pepperoni. You get the veggies. Those are pretty nice. You get that cheese and that taco sauce. It's nice and buttery. So it's pretty good. You get enough butter in there. 30 seconds each side is all you really need. Pretty good. Alright. Pizzadilla Supreme. Check it out. Thank you for watching. My name is Work for Cooking with Dragons. We are exploring the world of food. See you next time and eat food responsibly. Still working on catchphrase.